Hey, I'm Hassa with WTI, and I've always been a curly hair girl, and that's why I'm always looking to find good hair products that my hair loves. And this is one of them. This is the Natural Hair Wave Whip Curling Mousse from Cantu, and I'm in love with this product because of how easy it is to use. This one comes in a pack of six, so I have plenty. Although it says it's for wavy hair, my hair is curly, but it works just wonderful with mine. It smells so good and it is really, really easy to apply. It is really lightweight and it gives me just a little bit of hold, which is what I'm looking for. This one I use especially when I am going to run errands and I'm not gonna be home for a long time. So it keeps my hair looking nice for those 3 to 4 hours that I'm out. So this is my secret to have beautiful curls after a long day at the beach. I love how my curls look with this product. It doesn't leave my hair stiff or crunchy. So again, this is a mousse. Even if you see that it's really watery over here, it comes out as a mousse and that's great. I am absolutely in love with this product. I'm almost running out of it, but again, this is a pack of six, so I have a lot more. And yeah, that's my point of view.